Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Grammarly Business for AI writing automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Grammarly website at www.grammarly.com. Look for the business option in the menu. Click on the business link to access the Grammarly business page. On the Grammarly business page, find the Get Started button. Click the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account. If you already have a personal Grammarly account, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new one. Fill out the required fields, including your email address and a strong password. After filling in your details, click Continue. Next, select your team size from the options provided. Choose an appropriate plan based on your team's size and needs. Once you have selected a plan, click on Continue. You will be directed to a billing information page. Fill in your payment details accurately. Review your plan and billing information carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm your purchase by clicking Complete Purchase. Once the payment is processed, you will log into your Grammarly account using the email and password you created. Navigate to the Team Management section in your Grammarly dashboard. Here you can add team members by entering their email addresses. Assign roles and permissions for each team member as necessary. After adding team members, they will receive invitations to join your Grammarly business team. Instruct them to check their email and accept the invitation. After they join, you can manage settings and monitor usage through the dashboard. Explore the various features available in Grammarly Business for AI writing automation. You're now ready to enhance your team's writing efficiency with Grammarly Business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.